We want to be able to mount our tablet right here so the driver can see it or the navigator can see it. Looks like a great place to mount one of these RAM balls, but turns out it's fake. It's just a fake screw going into nothing. But look at there, we got a nice hole there. And so I made this. This is my RAM ball adapter. This fits right into there, locks in. And so you're asking yourself, how did he make this? Well, let me show you. Started off with some basic drawings just to get my dimensions down on paper. I incorporated a taper inside the tube so that this thing will lock itself in there very tight. After I had my drawings, I came in here to Fusion 360 and did up my design. And so once we get into Cura, we can come in and 3D set up the 3D printing file. So there's the 3D printing. That's what it's going to look like as it prints. Whoop, whoop. And then shook over to the 3D printer. Just imagine that this was printed there. All right. I epoxied the thing in there real good. I know it looks ugly now, but this epoxy is easy to sand, so I'll sand it down and make it look pretty. Well, kind of pretty. Finish sanding it up some more and cleaning it up, and then I'll hit it with some, maybe some touch-up paint. Actually, I don't even think I have to paint it. The gray color is almost the same color. Screw this in and bam, look at that.